paying important bills or anything. That's cool. No more phone calls from the shower? I don't really know what you're talking about with that one. Ain't that a kick in the head? I need a Kali alarm? I made an alarm before. I'm sure you can find one on YouTube. Stop yawning, bitch! Anyway, guys. Callie, just sleep for a sec. No! No! I'm having fun with you guys. I don't need the stupid... Actually, no, the Kotatsu isn't stupid. It was made by the dude 7M Digital. So it's not stupid. But I am going to come up really close to you. If you're cool with that. It's been a while since we've seen the outfit like this. Dang.